Prep test 64, logic game number 4, question, look at that, quercetin. We can live with that, right? Quercetin 23 asks us, if L is higher than H, which of the following must be true? So, let's pull up our limited options here. Draw a little line between them for clarity's sake and place L higher than H. So in this option, L can't go on top, so L must be in the middle and H must be on the bottom. That forces K and O onto the top shelf and G onto the bottom. That was nice and easy. What about here? Again, L can't be on the top shelf, so it must be on the middle. H must be down here. The only place left for F and M to be next to each other is here. And that means that K, O, and G take up these remaining 3 spaces. And we don't really know the arrangement in which they fall. So, what must be true? Answer choice A, F and G on the same shelf. Not down here, they're not. G and H on the same shelf. Again, not down here. H and M on the same shelf. Yes, yes, this one's looking good. I and G on the same shelf. Definitely not up here. And lastly, K and O on the same shelf. Again, they are up here, but they're not necessarily down here. So C is in fact the correct answer, and you are done with this game.